Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Friday live session. Well, we had one more turbulent expiry yesterday. The way market consolidated and went up, and finally after 2 o'clock the way it gave up was all a real mystery. But in fact, one of the best days in this month for directional traders, provided you caught the direction right. If you had not caught the direction right, if you had exited at a small stop loss, you would have still felt bad because you missed such a big one-sided movement, which instead of being on the short side, maybe you were on the long side and you got stopped out, but you didn't capture the big down move that came after 2 o'clock. So here we are with today's chart analysis. Let us begin with Nifty first. So you can see kind of a very choppy movement today. In fact, Nifty opens at around 17,117, comes down to 17,010, tries to make a pullback, again touches 17,119, but again fails to hold the higher levels, and immediately maybe after the news of STT rate hike by the government on options and futures traders, the market gave up instantly and now currently trading at 17,036. Excuse me. So this is the chart of Nifty. Kind of wild day and kind of like too much of whipsaw movement happening, so not much trends in Nifty. The same case with Bank Nifty also. Opens at around 39,521, goes up to 39,834, but again gives up all the upward movement and comes down to the morning lows of 39,500 levels. So currently trading at 39,600. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. In fact, both had a very wild swing yesterday and today has been extremely choppy. Let us today, beginning of the final settlement for this month, let us see how the settlement has opened. On the 2 hours time frame, you can see kind of market based on last 2 to 3 weeks of analysis. It is in the kind of in range mode. It has seen the bottom at 38,831 a couple of weeks back, and after that it has also seen the highs of 41,050. So for this week to play, we have the range from 41,000 to 39,000. So almost 2,000 points range is there for this week for us to get some trades. If it goes down below 38,831, then maybe Bank Nifty is weaker below 38,831, or it has to make a new levels somewhere in between today and coming Thursday. Otherwise, on the upside, you can see some amount of buying can happen only at around 41,000 and above. This is the chart of Nifty on the 2 hours time frame. So Nifty also is in the downtrend, but it continues to see that 18,866 as the support zone. This 18,866 has been the support zone for last 2 weeks. In fact, for the last 2 weeks, this is the support that we are seeing at 16,866 on the downside, and breakout at 17,574. So if you see 17,574 on the upside, then you can think of going long, which is about 500 points away, and on the downside we are about 250 to 300 points on the downside where we can get some support. So this is the setup for the coming settlement week, which happens also to be the monthly settlement. So this is the final settlement for this month. Let us see how it goes. We have begun on a very flat note on the settlement chart, but on the intraday chart it's very clear, like the trends are very choppy since morning. Lot of news flowing in from the US also in terms of Fed policy, in terms of European Fed meet, European ECB meet, and today our Indian government hiking the STT for the traders in options and futures segment. So In general, sentiment is mixed. Sentiment is definitely not very bullish. It is not extremely bearish also, so it is trying to catch up and make some up move, but unfortunately these bad news are one after the other pushing the market actually into sideways or no range, no trend kind of a zone. So this is with respect to today's analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Well, I would be spending much time today. We will be closing the Friday session little early. In case if you are liking the content on Banao Bharat channel, do subscribe to the channel and share the channel with your fellow viewers also, so that they can come in large numbers and view the live sessions that is being given in this forum. And also, if you want to learn the trading activities in a more professional way, then we also conduct the Trading for Living bootcamp. You can join for the bootcamp or for the mentorship program, and then we can see how well we can start your trading journey on a profitable note. At least within the next 6 months to 1 year, you will end up as a independent trader who can form your own financial future. Well, having said that, let us have a peaceful weekend and let us meet once again on a Monday morning. Until then, Om Swasti.